Here's a quick video to show you what to do if your Apple TV remote stops working. Your first step is to see if the remote is actually sending a signal. You'll see the Apple TV right here on my screen. That light, we want it to blink anytime we hit a button on this remote. So if I click a button, it blinks, and that shows me that the remote is actually sending a signal. So if you hit a button and the light on the Apple TV does not blink, then it can only be two things. One, your remote might not be charged. If that's the case, it's really simple. You're just going to plug the cord right in here and let that set for at least 15 minutes before you try again. Hopefully that fixed the problem. If you plugged in your Apple TV remote and you still don't see a light blinking on your Apple TV, then we just need to make sure it's paired. To do this, you're going to take your fingers and you're going to hit the back button and the volume up button. You're going to hold it, and then on your screen you'll see pairing as you do that. So I'm going to press those two buttons and hold about 3 seconds, and then up here on the screen you'll see that it is now pairing. Hope you found this video helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up.